Hi, in this video I want to demonstrate a simple tabletop workbench I have made. I have watched many videos on YouTube and taken several ideas, and this is what I came up with. It's made of simple construction lumber that's milled square and of course glued together. It has got these pretty special feet, and there are rubber pads on the underside of the feet. And the reason for this very form is that I can use ordinary F-style clamps to clamp it down to a tabletop. And also by using 3 of these clamps, if I put this on a corner, I can actually secure 3 of the 4 pads, which would make this very stable. And of course, the main reason for making a tabletop workbench like this is that I can move it anywhere where I need it. I can use it in the kitchen, I could actually use it in the living room, on the living room table, because this is a surface that will take a beating. The size is approximately 60 centimeters or 2 feet long, and 30 centimeters 1 foot wide. The thickness is 8 centimeters or a little bit above 3 inches, and the height here is close to 4 inches, 10 centimeters approximately. I could actually have made it a little bit higher than this. As you see, I have inset one of these Veritas inset vices, and these have a block that can be positioned in 2 places. Unfortunately, this one is a little bit too loose, and I also am afraid of losing it somewhere. I have also drilled a total of 6 holes, of course, for bench stocks, but also specifically for these special one-legged clamps that I can put in any of these holes. And they work as a hold down that you beat down, but in this case you screw them down and they wedge in place in the hole and really grip. I also try to drill 1 hole horizontally, so I can put one of these here. And with this, of course, I can clamp a piece to the side here, or for that matter on this side. By lining this up completely and putting the bench dog in this hole, I get a working space of approximately 50 centimeters. And by doing the opposite, positioning this block in the nearest position, in this case I get something like, let's have a look, 10 centimeters. The weight is only about, I would say, 5 kilos, 10 pounds approximately. And the main thing, it's portable. I can take it anywhere I need to use it. And as it's simple, cheap lumber, it doesn't matter if it takes a beating. Yes, it took some work to do, but it didn't cost much, except for the hardware, of course. In a way, this is not a very pretty build, but it's not meant to be. It's meant to be a working surface. And also I made this as a prototype or even as a pilot project for an upcoming build. Thanks for watching.